Hello, everybody. Welcome to the Week 1 discussion board. Now, you've been doing this for a while, I'm sure, so you know Week 1 discussion board means icebreaker. So introduce yourselves to your classmates. Some of you, I know we have a lot of students on our online campus, but it's possible that some of you may have been in class or other classes together. So this is an opportunity to kind of reacquaint yourselves or say hello to somebody you've gotten to know over the semester or over the various terms. But for most of you, you don't know anybody here, so this is your opportunity to introduce yourself. We also do want you to post a link to your MyCred so that people can we can start to see what people have posted and listed in their MyCred. And this is an opportunity to just kind of help each other out, offer up some constructive criticism, that kind of thing. But first and foremost, it's really about introducing yourself to everybody else. Let me get started. As you all know, my name is Steve Pelton. I've been teaching here at Bryan Stratton since 2011. I started teaching on the campuses, the actual brick and mortar campuses in upstate New York. I live outside of Rochester, New York, so not too far from Lake Ontario if you're looking at a map of the United States. Probably about not too far north of the Pennsylvania border, about an hour and a half, and about half an hour south of Lake Ontario, if you're looking at a map. So I taught on the Buffalo campus for one semester, and then I started teaching on our Rochester campuses. A couple of years ago, I started to split my time between the on-campus teaching and online. And just last year, I started teaching all of my courses online full-time, and I haven't looked back, and it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice to be able to work from home, and I really do enjoy that. So a little bit about me. I live in upstate New York. My wife and I have two children. We live in the suburbs. We have kind of the very busy, stressful lives that you can guess most of you probably do have if you're working and you have two little kids in school. Not very little anymore. They're getting big. But when I'm not teaching and when I'm not taking my kids to swimming or to volleyball or to whatever else, what do I like to do? Well, I like to be outdoors. In fact, I'm looking out the window right now and seeing the trees changing color. It's very beautiful out there, and I'm thinking, boy, when can I get back out and fish, or when can I get out and hunt? I like to do both. I like to hike a lot. Whatever keeps me outdoors. Mountain biking is something else I enjoy. Whatever keeps me outdoors, I really like to do. So if I'm not on the computer, and I am on the computer quite a bit, chances are you'll find me in a tree stand or walking through a creek trying to catch trout with my fly rod or something like that. But I'm really also glad to be here in an online environment. It's a very unique, kind of interesting context to do higher ed. And so I've really enjoyed it because I think it's a real opportunity to help students who, like me, are very, very busy people. And they really are wanting to get that degree. They really want to change careers or move up in their careers, and this seems to be the only way. And I see myself really as a tool or as an asset or as a somebody who's here to kind of walk alongside you in these difficult times of online higher education. Plus, I think it allows us to do some really cool stuff online, which I think is kind of fun as well. So anyway, a little bit about me. Now it's your opportunity. Post your MyCred, but also say something about yourself. And if you'd like, post a picture too. That'd be kind of nice. Thanks.